today's trading available. Before I post in marketplace, right now my available is Damian Lillard rare, Shai Gilgeous Alexander home, Chet Holmgren home, and Chet Holmgren away, and Victor Wembanyama home, and Anthony Edwards home and away, Steven Adams away, Tyrese Haliburton home, and Kawhi Leonard home, Alex Caruso away, and the Raptor mascots. All of these are available today for tradings or for sale, very cheap now. Okay, very cheap, especially to my friend. Somebody wants to buy. Okay, I give cheap. Thank you.